Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video of Yahoo Finance, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out the best book value per share. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Yahoo Finance and you can search for any company over here. Let's go ahead and search for Tesla. You can search for any company which you want. After you have done searching it, what you need to do is find these charts over here on the left hand side, such as financials, historical data, statistics, conversion and chart. So what you need to do is find some key factors or symbols from it. So the steps are quite simple. To find the book value per share, first of all, you must find the total shareholders equity and you must find the preferred equity as well. And what you need to do is minus the total shareholders equity with preferred equity divided by the total outstanding common shares. So the steps are quite easy. You can easily go to ChatGPT and ask for what you want, but the main thing is finding the symbols. So you can just go ahead and hover around and check out the conversions rate over here as well. You can go to historical data and you can check out the data. So guys, this is how easy it is to find out the best book value per share on Yahoo Finance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.